Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the world settings in Minecraft so you can change modes fast. Open the Create World screen and set the default game mode to your preferred choice. Save a duplicate backup of your world file to avoid accidental progress loss. Using the default game mode avoids typing commands during play and automatically assigns the mode on creation. If you plan multiple modes, create separate world copies with different defaults for quick switching between sessions. Use the Open to LAN option to change game mode without typing commands live. Pause your single-player world and select Open to LAN, then enable cheats in the dialog. The game will allow you to use the in-game menu or menu buttons to change the game mode while LAN is active. Close the LAN session and reload your world to return to your normal single-player state. This method is quick and works in vanilla Minecraft without installing mods or for the most seamless experience, install a trusted mod or data pack that provides a mode switch item. Choose a lightweight add-on that gives a right-click toggle, wearable, or GUI button to change between survival, creative, and adventure. Place the data pack or mod in your world folder and restart Minecraft to activate it safely. Back up your world before installing to avoid corruption. Once installed, switch modes instantly during play without typing commands or opening external consoles.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.